So today we got the fan installed. So let's take a look back and see how this all happened. After measuring and cutting the hole out of the roof with the saber saw, it was time to test fit the fan to see how it fit. The fan has a few tight spots here. I will go ahead and use a hard wheel grinder and grind them spots down a little bit to make it fit a little better in the hole. After getting the hole to the perfect size for the fan to fit, I'm going to spray the top with cleaner and get the surface good and clean for the steps that are coming up. After everything was dry, it was time to spray paint where I cut the hole out to help protect the steel so it doesn't rust. Once again, when everything was dry, it was time to install the butyl tape around the opening. Some of the places was a little lower, so I installed double layers of butyl tape to help build the surface up so it was level where the fan would sit. Now it was time to install the fan into the hole. I lowered the fan down in and made sure that it was completely in the hole, and then pressed it into the butyl tape to make sure that the butyl tape was level underneath of it. Then it was time to drill the holes around the mounting flange of the fan and install screws. I went ahead and used number 10 sheet metal screws. I ran the screws down, snugged them up, and then I worked my way around the flange and did all 4 sides. After I worked my way around and tightened all the screws on the vent, it was time to put the Dicor sealant on. I used the Dicor self-leveling sealant and used a generous amount the whole way around the vent fan. Anytime you use this, you want to use a generous amount on any of the items that you are sealing on your roof. Also, one thing that you do not want to forget when you're doing this is to seal around the screws on the mounting flange. The last step on the roof is to remove the protective plastic wrap from the hatch lid. a final fitment of the trim ring inside to make sure it is correct.
Okay, so we got the vent fan installed on the roof of the van. The vent fan, the cost of it was $129.99. The butyl tape for the roll was $8, and the decor to finish sealing it was $11 a tube. So for a grand total of $148.99, that is what we have spent on the van project so far. So today was a productive day. We got the ceiling fan up there installed and got it all sealed up and everything, so we're good to go on that. So it's on to the next project, so we'll see where that's going. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.